Diamagnetic substances. Faraday divided the magnetic materials into three classes on the basis of their magnetic behavior: diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials, and ferromagnetic materials. Let's discuss diamagnetic materials here. These materials are weakly repelled by a magnet. When a diamagnetic material is suspended in a uniform magnetic field, it sets their longest axis at right angles to the direction of the magnetic field. When a sample of diamagnetic liquid is put in a U-tube and strong magnetic field is applied across one of the two limbs, the level of the liquid is depressed. This proves the movement of diamagnetic substances from stronger to weaker parts of the field. This property indicates that a magnet would repel a diamagnetic substance. When a diamagnetic material is placed in a magnetic field, the magnetic field lines prefer not to pass through the substance. It shows that magnetic field lines are repelled and the field inside the material is decreased. The magnetic susceptibility of diamagnetic substances has a small negative value.